Slideshow. Always present with subtitles. Start subtitles. It's about to start. From English to Spanish. Let's do it this way. So now what am I doing here? My name is Carlos Lemus. And let's say my language is Français. Parlez-vous? Oui, oui. Where am I going to put this so that it stays out of the way? Come on. This guy's going to catch my conversation. Allow, man, allow. Going to catch my conversation in French while I speak English, and you'll see that. No, just this is it. Can I close this without? Okay. D'accord. And so you see, if you were in my audience, listening to my conversation or watching my presentation, you could see me giving it in. I'd be giving it in English. It'd be given in Spanish, in French, according to the phone, because that's the language I chose for the phone. And then you'll notice that on my screen, my subtitles are in Spanish. So let me put it over here. Hey, how cool is that, right?